Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on your laptop. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Windows Update section and open it. Then, either click Check for Updates, or if you have any updates prepared for you, then just click Download and Install. For additional updates, go to Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and if you have any updates here, hit the checkbox next to the ones that you want to install and then click Download and Install in the bottom right corner. Once the updates are complete, you may have to restart your computer and you'll be notified about it. You'll see the information either right here on this page or you're gonna receive a notification in the bottom right corner of your screen. And once the updates are completed, you'll be able to click Restart Now right here, or just restart your computer normally by entering the Start menu and going to Power Options and selecting Restart. And that's how you update your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.